E aí, galera? I'm Armando.
Oi, tudo bom? My name is Nadia.
Okay, so we both studied abroad in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. We studied at PUC, Pontifícia Universidade Católica de Rio de Janeiro, and it was an immersion program. So we've been taking classes with Brazilian students, and we both only had about a quarter of Portuguese before we got there, but we did know Spanish, so that was a definite bonus and definitely helped us out when we were there.
Studying at PUCI was great. It's such a beautiful campus, and the teachers are really knowledgeable and understanding and generous, and they're really just there to help you. Sometimes class is canceled at the last minute, or sometimes the teachers are about an hour late, but it's such a great environment, and I felt like I really did learn a lot in my classes.
I just wanted to comment a little bit about like the teacher and student relationship. They're super cool. They're really relaxed. The relationship you build with your professors are just it's almost like friends. You get to talk to them on a really personal level, and it just shows you a little bit about the Brazilian culture, the friendly culture that we have, and as long as you have the little jeitinho, the little Brazilian swag, then I mean you'll be good. Like you can get away with like anything pretty much. Cara, olha só, you need to take this class, Desenvolvimento da Comunidade, Community Development. It's super hands-on, super cool class. We got to go to City of God, Rocinha, Vidigal. Just these communities are infamous in all these Hollywood films. You get to learn what the people are really like, the projects they have within them, and just the culture. And it was a very humbling experience, and I really recommend that class in PUCI.
Both Armando and I taught English and Spanish in the Vidigal favela. We taught to kids ages 9 through 15, and we worked there for about 4 hours a week. It was a really enriching experience because we learned from the children just as much as they learned from us. Rio de Janeiro was beautiful. My first impression was definitely the heat and the humidity. Armando and I got there January 5th, and it was right in the middle of Brazilian summer because since they're below the equator, their seasons are opposite.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video.
Thanks for your time in watching our video, and we hope that you go to Brazil.
Valeu. Ciao.
Negro cantava na nação, na